Oh, bloody hell.
G'day, Oz ADV Rider. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the starter button on my 2008 Suzuki V-Strom 650. This button's been getting worse and worse. It's really touchy to get it to work. I had a lot of trouble yesterday. I was out in the bush and couldn't get the bike started. I had no way of pushing it where I was, so yeah, it's getting a bit of a worry. I should have repaired it earlier. I had trouble with it the week before too. Anyway, I have had this trouble before and I've pulled it apart and fixed it. So yeah, hopefully it's just the same thing. Might just need a clean out. So that's the button there. And there'll be two screws. We'll have a look underneath. So we'll take them right off. Oh yeah, so that'll come apart. So we take that bit out. And then there's a screw in there. Undo that one. Now this part lifts out. So that front row there is for the headlight circuit. Originally, when you hit the starter button, it disconnects the headlights while you start it, then you let go of the button and the lights come back on. I was having trouble with that and I just soldered them together. But I've had trouble with the connector behind the radiator and I've rewired my whole headlight circuit. So these back two wires are the starter circuit. See if I can get this in there and do a continuity test. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, I've got a little cable tie up there. Righto, that makes it easier. So it's just cable tied around that bit there. Rightio, if we get in there, we can lever that up. There we go. There's our contacts. Looks like something on that. So one problem we have, that bit there should be springing up and down. It's stuck down. Yeah, look at that. Something black across that. Yeah, so this plate here should spring up and down. And last time I pulled this apart, that spring went flying and I could not find it. That's actually out of a pen. Righto, so we'll pop that out. There we go, yeah. There we go, that's out. And there is a spring behind that. So you can see that terminal's, or you can see that contact's dirty as well. So we've got a bit of emery paper. There's like scoring on that. Let me clean that up a bit more. This should be free to bounce up and down. The spring should be pushing it up against the contactors. That's not. Actually looks pretty clean in there. Normally it gets clogged up with dust. Rightio, we'll try that. I'll put some grease on top there. Righto, let's go put this back together. Rightio, so we're all cleaned up. A little contact plate now. Bounces up and down, it actually moves. Now, how did this all go? That in there. That one just, yep, that one goes on top. Screw in that. Let's see if I can get this to work now. That sounds better. It goes on there. Okay, we'll tie that back down again. That just stops the wires getting pulled out. Now this piece back in, which way around did it go? I'm going to say that way. Yeah, that looks right, doesn't it? Yeah, that's it, yep. These screws back in. Righto, let's see if it works. That sounds better, doesn't it? Righto, job done. A little bit of patience, a bit of fiddling around, and works much better. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.